welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video we're going to be assembling the Blazer. So what you want to first do is remove the sprues from the wheels. Or the first step of this is to cut away these things. Alright, we cut away that from the wheels. Now let's cut away this piece. Good, that's done. Now let's cut that piece, the sprues. There you go. Now let's cut the sprue off that. Very good. There you go, there's the cleaning up that, make sure it's all good. There's all the pieces. So now we can start to glue this thing together. So this is how it should go. Put a little glue there, a little glue there. All good. Put this piece together like so. Looking good to me. Next you can put that piece in there. So we put a little glue there. Just put this piece like that. Okay, so we're not fully done yet though. Let's put some glue here. So that's done. The bumper. Now let's go ahead and glue on the wheels. Just putting a little glue on these axles there. Now, here's the deal. These wheels are different. So, lacking context, I'm not sure, but my thought is that this goes in the back. Alright, so continuing on. Let's put this tire in the back. And this tire in the front, making sure that the axle goes in the center of the wheel. Yeah. Now let's do the front. Pretty good. So technically you are done. It's just, let's glue on the grill, because that's an optional piece we have here. May as well have it. There you go. There's the grill. Available at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you for watching.